I first want to do a real quick review of this Philips surge protector in unboxing. I picked this up at Target on the fly. I think it cost like 10 bucks or something. It essentially is a surge protector that's wall mounted, has 2 prongs so it'll go into the wall instead of a cable, and it'll have 6 different adapters. It comes with an indicator light at the top. It's powered for 900 joules. My previous cable I've had for years. This had 6 ports and had power on, off, and switch, but it had a bunch of cabling. So my hope is that I can get rid of all this cable and just connect straight to the wall. So let me just unbox this and kind of show you what it looks like. So here it is out of the package. Actually goes straight into the wall like that, and then the bottom prong goes in there. So I'll attach it to the wall and just show you in the wall. It's pretty basic though. So here's my outlet. Plug straight in like that. The light turns on and you've got power immediately. It's pretty flush. Definitely will take up less space than the prior cables I had because they were all ran along the floor there.